How to create WeChat account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can create WeChat account. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to install the WeChat application. If you have not installed it yet, open up Play Store and install WeChat application from Play Store. And once you have successfully installed the WeChat application in your mobile device, now open up WeChat. From here, tap on Sign Up button at the bottom right corner. Now you'll be given two options whether you want to sign up via mobile or via Facebook. So here, tap on Sign Up via mobile, and here you will land on Sign Up page. So first of all, you have to provide your name. Under that, you have to choose your country or region, and then you have to enter your correct mobile number. Then you have to create a password. Once done, scroll down and tap on the terms and agreement, and then tap on accept and continue. After that, you can go through all of these terms and conditions, then tap on the I have read and acknowledge the privacy policy option, and then tap on next. Now you have to perform a verification to prove that you are a human, so tap on start. Then you have to perform this verification method. Now once you are verified, you have to select your security verification method, where you want to verify via payment card, verify your QR scan or by another user, or verify and activate the Wix PIN Pay. So according to your preferences, you can choose one from here. Now if you have chosen the payment card as a security method, you have to provide all the information regarding your card, then tap on next. And once this is verified, you will have the WeChat account. If not, if you want to verify with the help of QR scan by other user, tap on the second option, and now you have to invite another user to scan the QR code via WeChat app to help you complete the registration. And once you have complete all the instructions given here, you will have the WeChat account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.